Hello, my little tribe. My name is Kate. This is Pagan Priestess channel, and today we will talk about relationship. And relationship come as in many forms. They can be romantic, friendly, family related, or professional. And sometimes they end not always clearly, not always peacefully, but sometimes we have chance to rebuild them or to restore them. And today, that's exactly what we're here to explore. So, in front of you, there are five stones. Take a moment, breathe, take a breath, and choose the one that feel drawn to, or maybe you can see this stone as warmer or brighter, whatever. And under the stone, you will discover, we will discover together, wherever this connection has a chance to be rebuilt, or it's time to gently let it go. I hope you choose. You may find your timestamps in a comment, and we are starting with stone number one, which is opal. So, for those who choose opal, let's see. Well, excuse me. What can I say? This is our option to rebuild this connection. Yes, you may rebuild it. It will be, you will rebuild it on some clear terms, and you will think that it will work. It will work for quite some time, but the thing is, to make it work, you need to work on that. And it will be hard for you. And eventually, if you will rebuild that connection, and because you will put a lot of your personal energy and strength in this connection, it will finally drain you. If you will not rebuild this connection, then you will open a new chapter in your life. The opening may not be pleasant or comfortable, but eventually you will find some people that will support you. You will find your most comfortable position in life. You will find some people that will stay in life with you for really, really long time. So, can it be rebuilt? Yes, sure, it can be rebuilt. Should you? I don't know. It's your place to choose. But from what I can see, um, well, basically, I already gave you the options, and now it's your place to choose and your time to make a decision. Thank you so much. Stone number one. If this message brought you some clarity, you are welcome to support this video in any way. Subscription, like, comment. You may share this video with your friend. Thank you for being with me. Stone number two, fluorite. Let's see if, like, can you rebuild this connection and what you will receive, or what you will receive if you will not rebuild this connection. Hmm, interesting option. So you can rebuild this connection. You can do this. If you will do this, um, you need to maintain some balance in this connection, and you will. Like you will have your place, you will have your own resources, but eventually this person may betray you, or this person may um, do something toward you that you will perceive as betrayal. And eventually, even if you rebuild this connection, you will be by your own. You will not be with this person. If you are not rebuilding this connection, then you will soon reach most pleasant and most um, sorry, lost myself. So yeah, you will reach a pleasant place where you will be reached, and you will feel like you can realize, and you can have growth, you can have prosperity, you can have abundance, and that's all will be yours. Like you will reach the place when you will have a lot of resources, and it will come really quickly into your life. It will lead you to some times that you will spend in solitude with yourself, but after that you will make a choice, and that choice will only make you richer, will only brings more prosperity and more prospects into your life. So I show you both ways, and now it's your time to choose. If that help you reflect on the situation, feel free to share what came up to you. You may do it in a comment, of course. So, for those, wow, okay, for those who choose third stone, for those who choose rose quartz, maybe you are depressed right now, or maybe you are in really, really difficult situation. Maybe you are grieving about something. So let's see. Should you reconnect? Should you rebuild this? Or should you go your way? Okay. So I will start with first option. You may try to rebuild this connection. You may think that you have opportunity to rebuild it, and you may work on it for a while, but eventually it will not give you results that you want, because eventually everything will um, return to the same place where it was before. If you are stopping this connection and move forward, you will have new obligations into your life. Those obligations will give you money, stability, peaceful environment of in your family. You will be alone. You will be alone for quite some time, at least a year, but you will enjoy your loneliness, and it will be something that you will be really comfortable about. So, I showed you two options, and now it's your time to choose the best option for you. If this message felt calm or grounding, you can always leave a small comment, or um, press like under this video. Thank you so much. And we are moving to stone number 4. So, for those who choose obsidian, um, can you rebuild this connection? You may think that you can rebuild this connection. You may have illusions that if you will make right choice, you may rebuild this connection. But the thing is, you cannot, and it will only lead you nowhere. If you're not rebuilding this connection, if you let this connection go, then you will have new opportunities and you will have new love eventually. And some of your old um, partners may return into your life, but you will tell them that no, thanks, I am over. And with your new partners and with your new opportunities, you will build for yourself some like really harmonic and peaceful environment. Mostly it's about love. If it's not about love, then your partners may be in your business, which is basically the same, or it may be your friends, but still, just transform my word and make it more suitable for your personal situation. Thank you so much, stone number 4. If this reading helped you see things more clearly, your interaction support this space. You may leave your comment. You may share this video with some of your friends. Thank you so much for your attention. And uh, fifth stone. Okay. Let's see. Either here some powerful woman, maybe my colleague, either you in love with powerful woman, or you are watching this about connection with powerful woman. You may restore this connection, you may try things from scratch, you may try to restore things from scratch, you may try to build something new, but over some time you will understand that nothing really changed and you didn't overcome this karmic situations that you had before. You didn't do your homework, and even if you will try to restore this connection, it will bring you to the same situation where you've been before, and that situation has no no resolution. Like basically it's a dead end. If you will leave this connection, if you will leave this connection, it will be super hard for you. Maybe in this person you've seen your friend with whom you will be by the end of your life. Maybe you've seen potential that this person may become your spouse. Either way, it will be really difficult to admit that you could not restore this and that you need to move forward. And you need to, if you will decide to shut it down completely, you will have at least one really hard and difficult year until you will pay attention to yourself, until you will analyze the situation, until you will understand why this thing happened into your life. And when you will understand, when you will have this understanding, then it will break your heart. But for you, it's the only way to go further in your life and to go um, like to really learn your lessons, your karmic lessons. So, if this help you feel ready to move forward in any direction, your support above this video is really appreciated by me. Thank you for being with me. Your likes, comments, and sharing this video with your friends always means a lot to me. See you tomorrow. Bye.